If you ever buy anything online, sent an email, or access Wi-Fi, you've experienced the role of cybersecurity and how it safeguards our daily lives. In today's episode of In-Demand Careers You Should Know About, we're talking cybersecurity. A cybersecurity professional defends against cyber threats, protecting businesses and individuals. Their work promotes a safer online environment for everyone. It's a really important high-impact job, which is why cybersecurity analysts in the US make $102,000 per year, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. There are also other job titles within the cybersecurity field that also pay really well. And if you're interested in this field but have little or no prior experience, I've got good news for you. Industry experts like Google, Microsoft, and IBM created training programs designed to get you job ready for an entry-level role in cybersecurity within months. Check out these online, self-paced, beginner-friendly programs. Link in bio to learn more about getting into the cybersecurity field.